Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the vent up and down button in the Thermador range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a minute or two to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a pair of pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new vent up and down button. The vent up and down button is mounted on the vent up and down switch shaft. The main reason for the vent up and down button to be replaced is if it's simply missing. To remove the old vent up and down button, as if you still have it there on the shaft, I'm going to use a pair of pliers. Squeeze it hard and pull it off. This is the old vent up and down button next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. To install the new one, we're just going to push it onto the shaft. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.